Okay, so we're on a startup 350 now. I don't know, it's been pretty warm, so it's like outside, so I don't know if I'll have to prime it. Because my choke is gone. Ripped it off in the cold. So, oh, ow. 1, 2, 3, that should be good. On bastard. Yay! So, that wasn't too bad. Oh, you bastard. Yay. Probably like -3 out. Actually, it probably isn't even -3. There's water dripping from the roof, so yeah, I guess it's not a cold start. Hasn't started in a while, so that's my cold start. Okay, I think I got it, so it's going to stay running now. Just had to ride it off a little bit. Hope it doesn't stall. I don't know if that's good for it, but I don't care. This, we got it, about 4 years ago. Got it with 500 kilometers on it. Got 2,832 now. It's not bad. It's just been around the farm. We got 200 acres. Right down the road, actually, about, I don't know, not even a kilometer. We got crown land. A whole bunch of crown land. Or it's not ours, but you know. So we go hunting on that. Got 6-pointer this year. A friend shot 10-pointer, but couldn't find it. Found it 2 days later, green, and a few doe. So yeah. So I'm going to be plowing now. So see you later.